Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to log out of Walmart account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your web browser and type in walmart.com inside the URL box in the top. If you're already signed into your Walmart account, this will be the interface you will be looking at. Go to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the human icon with your name in it. Now, you will be able to see the pop-up where you can simply click on the sign out option in order to sign out of your Walmart account. Make sure you remember your email address and then your password if you want to sign in back again next time. So that's how it's easily done. You have successfully learned how you can easily log out or sign out of your Walmart account. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.